Hello, students, and welcome to your physics class. Let us continue chapter 8 electricity. The topic that we are going to do in this video is current electricity. Students, the commercial unit of electricity, that electricity, it is measured in the unit that is kilowatt hour. Commercial unit is also known as Board of Trade, BOT. Unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour, or simply known as a unit. That is, 1 kilowatt hour is the amount of energy consumed by an electrical appliance when power of 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour. So power is equal to energy upon time. So if we have to find the energy, that is electric energy, it is equal to power into time. So electric energy power is measured in kilowatt and time is measured in hours. So 1 unit of electric energy is equal to 1 kilowatt hour or 1000 watt hours. So 1 kilowatt is also equal to 1000 joules per second, right? 1000 watt and 1000 watt is equal to joules per second, so 1000 joules per second, and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt into hour. So 1 kilowatt is 1000 joules into 3600 seconds. So it comes to be 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. So 1 kilowatt is equivalent to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. Now, in this way, you can find the consumption of electricity. My dear students, there is one activity also given in your book to find the consumption of electric energy. So, name of the appliance is given. Power you have to find out. If the bulb is of power, the power is marked on the appliance. Time for which it is used, and you can calculate that electrical energy. So in this way you can calculate your energy consumption for a month. For example, here you can find out if an electrical geyser of power 2 kilowatt is used for 2 hours per day. So electrical geyser power is 2 kilowatts and time use is 2 hours. So daily consumption is power into time, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 kilowatt per hour. Then we have to find the electrical energy consumed in kilowatt hours per day. So electrical energy is equal to power into time. So consumed in per day it is 4 kilowatt per hour, and in 30 days, in a month, say it is of 30 days, then 4 kilowatt, that is kilowatt hour, is energy consumed in one day. So we will multiply it with number of days. So for a month we multiply it with 30 days. So it comes to be 120 kilowatt hour. Now the cost of electric energy consumed in 1 month is at the rate of rupees 8 per unit. So what will be the bill, the total consumption? That will be 120 into 8, rupees 8. So for this geyser will consume rupees 960, and the energy consumed by geyser will be of this much cost. So by this method you can find out your monthly consumption of electricity. My dear students, now let us do some protective devices which are used in the electric circuits. First is electric fuse. It is a protective device used in the series with electric current or an appliance, and it saves it from the damage due to overheating when a strong current passes through the circuit. Now, what is the construction of a fuse? It is a small piece of wire made of a material having suitable resistivity and low melting point. So mostly it is made up of an alloy of tin and lead. So how this electric fuse works? When the safe limit of current exceeds due to some fault, the excessive heat produced in the fuse wire melts it. When there is some current more than the its limit passes through the circuit, what happens? As a result, the wire get heated up, and due to this overheating the wire melts. And when it melts, the connection get lost, and the current supply to the electric circuit is cut off. So the appliance is saved from the high, and that is from a strong current. So here is the circuit diagram where we show the where that fuse is used in the series. Now types of fuses. There are three types of fuses that are quite common. First is Kit Kat fuse. It is the most common fuse. It consists of a porcelain base containing female contact, and this male, which is removed from the upper side, it is containing a male contact and fuse wire. When second is high rupturing capacity fuse, which is also known as HRC fuse. You can see in the second diagram B, HRC fuse. It is used where high safety is required. There is a peep hole, a hole is there, so we can check through it whether the wire is safe or it is blown with the fuse. It cannot be rewired like Kit Kat fuse. In Kit Kat fuse, we simply change the wire and the fuse starts working again. But here, it cannot be rewired. Once it blows, it need to be discarded and we have to use a new one. And third is miniature glass holder fuse. It is used for the safety appliances of like TV and tape recorders, so that these appliances can be saved from the effect of strong currents. Then miniature circuit breaker. It is an automatic switch used to protect the household wiring from the overloading in a circuit. Nowadays, in place of fuse, we use miniature circuit breakers, which are commonly known as MCBs. When current passes the safe limit, the MCB automatically breaks the electric circuit, and it is reset manually after the fault is rectified. So we switch it on again. So students, kindly read the chapter, and you do book exercise and question answers are being sent in the group. So complete your notebooks as well. Thank you and have a nice day.